Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to talk about strong syllables. So, what is a strong syllable? Is it a syllable that is stronger? No, no, of course not. Not in that sense, at least. A strong syllable is a syllable that has more emphasis. Okay, so remember that a syllable is a sound in a word. Well, a strong syllable is a syllable that has more emphasis than the other words around, than the other syllables around it. So let's look at a couple of examples. Let's look at the word, let's look at this word here. Now, English is not a flat language in the sense that we pronounce the words, okay? The syllables in each word each have a different emphasis. So it's not just paper. I mean, that's okay, but it's more correct for this word to have more emphasis on the A, right? So if we emphasize the A, it's actually paper, paper, okay? Notice how this sound here, make that a different color, this sound here is a little bit more emphasized. Paper, paper, okay? Um, let's look at a different word. And this is all going to come with practice. It's something that you're going to have to memorize. Let's look at this word here. Now, a lot of languages have strong syllables. Um, here, if we do it without any emphasis, restaurant, I mean, it's very flat, so we need emphasis. And in this case, we need an emphasis on the first E here. So it's restaurant, restaurant, okay? Paper, paper, restaurant, restaurant. You can kind of visualize it like this. Paper, restaurant. Okay? Just like that. Let's look at another word. Computer. So we're looking at the word. Let's see. Our emphasis is going to be on the U. So it's going to be computer. Do you see that? Computer. 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 Okay? Let's review really quick. Paper. Paper. Restaurant. Restaurant. computer, computer. Okay. Now let's look at a couple other words here. Now we're going to have a series of words. So this first part will have 2 syllables. And let's see where is the strong syllable. Okay. Here, the strong syllable will be on the E, right? So we're going to go like this. Necklace. Necklace. Okay. One of the best ways to talk about syllables is to try and clap when we have a syllable, but we're going to try to clap more loudly when we have a strong syllable. So something like this. Necklace. Necklace. Okay? Notice that first one is a little bit stronger. Here, the emphasis will be on the EY. Okay? So we're going to go like this. Keyboard. 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 The next one. Okay, so our emphasis will be on the A. Bracelet. Bracelet. Okay. Bracelet. Bracelet. Okay. One of the little tricks that we can do also is to try, and this works with bigger words, but we can try and split this up into syllabi, into syllables. So necklace, keyboard, and bracelet. Now, the way we do this is we're trying to split it into sounds, okay? And this can help us also distinguish where are each of the syllables and where are the strong syllables, if you notice. Now, let's look at the next one. Our emphasis will be on the EA. Let's try and split this up. Just like that. Okay? So our pronunciation is going to be sweater. Sweater. Okay? Over here, our emphasis will be on the A. And our the way that we're going to split it is right here. Okay? So this is how we're going to do it. Jacket. Jacket. Okay? So let's go really quick. Necklace. Keyboard. bracelet, sweater, jacket. Okay? All right. So let's go to the next part. The next part will have oh, we still have two syllables. So this is how we're going to do it. These are our words. Now, in this set of words, our strong syllable is not going to be first. It's going to be second. Okay, so let's try and figure out how we can tell where are the strong syllables. Okay, so if I told you for the first one, let's try and split it. Let's try and split this up. We're going to go down here. Okay. Now, is the word cashier or cashier? Which one is it? Well, our emphasis is actually going to be on the last one. Okay? So, our pronunciation is going to sound something like cashier. Okay? Cashier. And that's why we split it up in that sense. So the way we split it up can tell us how we pronounce it, okay? It's not cash ear, it's cashier, right? Here, let's split this up. Our emphasis is going to be on the double E, and we're going to split at the A. So, it's going to be something like this. Career. Career. All right. Here, we're going to put emphasis on the AI. Okay? Repair. Repair. Here, we're going to have emphasis on the IE, and we're going to split it up right here, okay? Right there. So, it's going to be something like this. Achieve. Achieve. Okay, say it with me. Cashier. Cashier. Career. Career. Repair. Repair. Achieve. Achieve. All right. Let's look at more complicated words. At a case when we have three syllables and our strong syllable will be in the beginning. So if we have these words here, now in this case, our strong syllable will be our first. So right here, right here. And the way we're going to split them up, it's like this. Right there. Say it with me. Medium. Medium. Here, we're going to split it after the N. So, it's something like this. Counselor. 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 Okay? Our third word will be split like this. Like that. Like that. Okay? Okay. Oops. Uniform. Okay? So our emphasis is in the beginning. Uniform. Uniform. Let's try and cut up this fourth one here. Here we're going to have manager. Okay? So our emphasis is on the first A. Manager. 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 Okay? It's all to avoid a very flat sound, okay? Next, here we're going to split it up like this. Citizen. 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 Okay? So let's try this. Medium. Medium. Counselor. Counselor. Uniform. Uniform. Manager. Manager. Citizen. Citizen. Okay? We can go on. So what if our emphasis is on the second syllable? If our emphasis is on the second syllable, well, this is what we're going to do. Suppose we have this word here. Okay, so if our strong syllable is in the middle, here we go. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. The way we cut these words is something like this. Like that, like that, like that. Oops. Like this, like that. Okay. Let's try and do this. Mechanic. 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 Tomorrow. 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 Computer. 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 Eraser. 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 Okay? Mechanic, tomorrow, computer, eraser. Okay? Now, words can always get more complicated. What if we have a word with 4 syllables? Then something like this. Okay. Let's try and split this up. Just like that. Just like that. And our emphasis, if we think about this word, it's gonna be on the first one. Okay. So it's something like this. Television. 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 Citizenship. Citizenship. Okay? Television. Television. Citizenship. Citizenship. Okay? Do you hear that? Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in. That is all.